So over the past 2 years, my engineering team has been working on a solution to do two things. A, to get websites to pass Core Web Vitals. And if you don't know what that is, there's actually a tool called PageSpeed Insights. You put your URL in there and you press submit, and you want to make sure that you're passing Core Web Vitals on your mobile experience as well as your desktop experience. The second thing why we wanted to build this software is to speed up websites. Page speed is a very important variable to Google. If you think about it, when somebody does a Google search, that's Google's customer, and they want to keep their customers happy, and they want to serve up results very quickly, right? So if a website is a little bit slow to load, that's not creating the best user experience for their customers as Google. So we've been working with clients for so long that we just said, screw it. We're just going to build a tool that kind of does this ourselves, and it's useful, and it does a lot of the things that would save your engineers thousands of hours in trying to solve yourself. Check it out. It's called Powa, POWA.com. I'm super excited by it, and I hope it addresses some of the problems that you might be facing on your website.